If your living room feels like a plain white box the moment the movie starts, you're missing out on half the atmosphere. Welcome back. If you're looking to erase the borders of your screen and turn your wall into a dynamic extension of the action, the Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro is the absolute state-of-the-art bias lighting system for 2026. This isn't just a basic LED strip. It is a high-precision optical sync engine. The headline feature for 2026 is the HDR triple camera. While older single-camera systems struggled with glare and corner accuracy, this new triple-lens setup expands the color-picking area by 50%. It uses a dual-exposure algorithm to see deep blacks and bright highlights simultaneously, ensuring the lights behind your TV match the on-screen colors with 16-bit color accuracy, even in high-contrast HDR scenes. What really makes the 3 Pro a pro upgrade is the light strip itself. It features a massive density of 75 LEDs per meter using 5-in-1 RGBWWIC technology. By adding dedicated warm and cool white chips to the traditional red, green, and blue, the strip produces much smoother gradients and more natural skin tones than cheaper alternatives. With the new AI Film Mood filter, the system can even analyze the genre of what you're watching, instantly shifting to a cinematic teal for thrillers or a vibrant neon for gaming. Integrated with Wi-Fi 6 and supporting Matter, it effortlessly syncs with up to 10 other Govee lights via DreamView to bathe your entire room in immersive light. Click the link below for the best price and finally break the frame of your TV. If this breakdown helped you find the ultimate immersion upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that actually changes the vibe of your home. See you in the next one.